Health benefits of melon seeds. Melon seeds, often overlooked, pack a nutritional punch and offer various health benefits. Here are some of the potential advantages of consuming melon seeds. Nutrient-rich, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Heart health, supports cardiovascular health with magnesium. Bone strength, rich in phosphorus for strong bones and teeth. Protein source, plant-based protein for muscle development. Antioxidants, contains selenium to combat oxidative stress. Digestive health, high fiber content aids digestion and prevents constipation. Energy boost, balanced nutrients provide a sustainable energy source. Anti-inflammatory, may help reduce inflammation in the body. Immune support, vitamins and minerals bolster the immune system. Sleep aid, contains tryptophan for better sleep and relaxation. As with any food, moderation is key, and individual responses to foods may vary. It's important to incorporate a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet for overall health. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Cook Up Helping Home.